If you're trying to get out of the cold winter and escape to Oahu, Hawaii, and want to know what there is to do, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Kristen from the bargainchasingtourist.com. Oahu is my favorite Hawaiian island, and after 8 visits, I still haven't run out of exciting adventures and things to see in this tropical paradise. Of course, Hawaii is expensive, and these days it may not be realistic for many of us to spend an entire week or longer on Oahu. So in this video, I'm going to cover the top highlights and experience that give you the most value for the cost and for your time. Since I'm all about bargains, I'm steering clear of what I consider the tourist traps. My list is not in order of importance. Instead, I'm going to move geographically around the island. So let's check out Oahu. We're going to start in Waikiki, where the majority of the Oahu hotels are located. What I love about Waikiki is how walkable it is, whether you want to take a morning walk on the world famous Waikiki beach or go shopping, there are things to do close to your hotel. Wait to rent a car until you're venturing outside of Waikiki because the parking in Waikiki is a challenge. The Waikiki trolley can also get you around Waikiki and beyond. If you're going to visit Diamond Head, an Oahu bucket list experience, I recommend catching a ride on the Waikiki trolley to save your legs for the hike and to avoid paying for parking. Diamond Head is a crater formed by a volcano and promises spectacular panoramic views of Waikiki. There is no better place on Oahu to take your first surfing lesson than Waikiki. The calm waters of Waikiki Beach will allow you to catch your first wave and check surfing in Hawaii off your bucket list. Surfing is a really tough workout, so you'll want to relax on the patio of Duke's Waikiki for the atmosphere and delicious drinks and appetizers. Don't visit Hawaii without seeing authentic hula dancing, and you can watch a free hula show on Tuesdays and Saturdays at sunset on the hula mound close to the Duke Kahanamoku statue. My daughter got the opportunity to join this beautiful hula troupe on stage. Before we leave Waikiki, ride the trolley or walk to see the stunning Moana Surfrider Hotel, the first hotel built on Waikiki Beach in 1901. Tour and admire the majestic Aioloni Palace, home of the Hawaiian royals before the monarchy was overthrown. Next, we're going to head west of Waikiki because when you visit Oahu, you need to see Pearl Harbor. Visit the USS Arizona Memorial, the final resting place of the Americans lost on the day in 1941 that will live in infamy. Pay tribute to those who made the ultimate sacrifice, as well as the few remaining survivors alive today. Pearl Harbor is the most visited attraction on Oahu, so I recommend taking a tour that will pick you up at your hotel, handle getting your tickets, and help you get inside. Now let's drive north to Oahu's North Shore, home to big wave surfing and breathtaking beach views. I recommend stopping in Haleiwa, a laid-back beach town with shops, local art, and lots of charm. Next bucket list experience is eating lunch at one of the roadside shrimp trucks. Piping hot shrimp and rice, delish. Then follow it with shave ice for dessert. Don't be fooled by the so-called shave ice on the mainland. Authentic shave ice is only in Hawaii. We're going to keep driving on the Kamehameha Highway to reach Kualoa Ranch. You can't miss seeing this mountain range, definitely a natural wonder found only in Hawaii. The ranch has served as a backdrop for many films, including Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, 51st Dates, and the list goes on. You can zipline, drive ATVs, ride horses, and tour this regional park. At the base of the Ko'ola Mountains in Kaneohe lies the Byodo-in Temple, a stunning replica of the original Byodo-in Temple in Japan. Stop here to get away from the crowds and find tranquility, beauty, and culture. Next, let's visit one of Hawaii's many waterfalls in Waimea Valley. There's a fairly easy hiking trail with the reward of the waterfall at the end. Let's continue driving down the windward side of Oahu, which is the eastern coastline to some of the most pristine beaches like Kailua and Lanikai. Even if you're not a beach person, the views alone are worth stopping and taking in. Further inland is the Nu'uanu Pali Lookout, which is at the top of a cliff and promises expansive views of the windward side of Oahu. And it is definitely windy. The Pali Lookout is the site of an epic battle where King Kamehameha actually forced the chief of Maui and his soldiers off the cliff. Although gruesome, this moment in history at the Pali Lookout is significant because it united all of the Hawaiian Islands under one rule. I took small group tours to see Waimea Valley, Byodo-in Temple, and Kualoa Ranch. For the North Shore, the Windward Beaches, and the Pali Lookout, you can easily get around on your own with a rental car. I didn't include the Leeward Coast, which is the west side of Oahu, in this video because unless you're staying at the resorts of Ko'olina, it's quite a far drive from the other sites of Oahu. As you can see, there are so many places and experiences unique to Oahu. But one thing I haven't mentioned is the aloha spirit, which is the warmth and kindness and sense of community you encounter in Hawaii. Whenever I visit Hawaii, the aloha spirit renews my faith that there are truly good people in this world. And I hope that you get to experience the aloha spirit too. I'm Kristen from the bargainchasingtourist.com. What's your favorite part of Oahu? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this type of travel content, please like and subscribe. Mahalo and aloha.